Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. So today I'm cooking for all of you lunch. Yes, I have a very big sufuria here and I'm cooking lunch for all of you. So stay tuned, you see what I'm going to cook. So my ingredients are, I have water. Yeah, I have spices here. I have carrots, I have onions right here, onions, I have curry powder, I have cinnamon, I have turmeric, I have cinnamon, turmeric and ginger, and then tomatoes. Nikataa kufunguka. Tomatoes are right here, and then we have the ginger and garlic. I don't know why I've put in one container, but that is it. This ginger and garlic, and then we have meat, it's right here, and then we have rice, and then we have potatoes. So I think you know what I'm going to cook for all of you, so stay tuned. So onyeshi kitchen yote, my kitchen is messed up as because I've been preparing. I believe in preparation before cooking anything. So let's go, let's start cooking. Stay tuned. So the oil is here guys, but I don't know why when you're cooking something like pilau you put a lot of oil. I've never understood about that, but I just know it needs oil. So me so I told you guys yesterday that I use white onions. I don't know, they're called white or what. Yeah, they're not the pink onions, they're white. Alright, so I'll put in my oil in this food until they cook. My yesterday's food was so funny because I burned the onions. But today I'm very careful. I'm not moving, I'm not chatting, I'm not doing anything, I'm doing nothing. Today I'm just cooking food for all of you. I'm cooking lunch for all of you. So ama hii katabia kangu kakuweka moto mingi ndio kanafanya naunguza vitu. I don't know, but my onions are ready. My onions are ready. You can see they have changed color a little. They have changed color. They are slightly brown. They're slightly brown. So what next? What next? I'll put ginger and garlic. I just put them in one container. There, ginger and garlic. You can't allow them to cook for long because the garlic gets burnt so fast. Can't allow them to cook so long because the garlic gets burnt so fast, and you want that garlic flavor in the food. So I think they are ready. Just a minute, they are ready. So what next? I'll put my tomatoes. Gosh. So I don't want to say what I just did, what I'm just saying, but they're slightly brown. You don't want them to burn. So guys, I'll put tomatoes. The next thing, I'll put tomatoes in my mouth. The good thing about cooking, or the good thing about me, not that I'm najisifu sana, the good thing is I prepare everything in advance. So guys, as usual, for my tomatoes, to speed the cooking of the tomatoes, I'll add salt. So let's add salt. So guys, we add salt. There. It's not a full spoon of salt, but it's just, it will be enough. It's just enough for what I want to cook for you guys. I'm cooking lunch for you. It should be so yummy. So you can see. It'll be so yummy. So guys, just stay tuned so that I can make you lunch. I know you have been making a lot of content on YouTube, so you are tired. You just want something to eat, right? Stay with me. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'll cover so that the tomatoes can cook for a few minutes. So I'll cover my food. So guys, I've covered my food for tomatoes to cook. They'll not cook for long because of the salt. The salt quickens the cooking of speeds the cooking of the tomatoes. So in the meantime, just see the work I'll do after. Just look at it guys. Check it hizo vyombo hadi kwa sink. Just messy, like my sink is so full. So I prepared all the this sauce with this all these things, and yeah, that's how my kitchen looks like. And guys, it's so full, like imejaa tu kabisa, but I'll work on that because I am a lady, I'm a woman now. So let's just check. My tomatoes are almost ready. I told you the salt plays a major role there. The salt, it plays a major role in my stew. Let's just give it a minute. Oh, now we have some tomatoes that have not cooked, so let's give it just a minute. And then my cover is so small, it cannot cover the whole thing. Pilau masala somewhere, I can't remember, and I don't remember. So I also have pilau masala. So as I said, I have curry powder, I have pilau masala, I have cinnamon, I have ginger. Hope it's ginger. Yes, I have ginger, and I have turmeric, I have carrots, I have potatoes, and I have rice, and I also have meat. So just relax. I'm cooking for you lunch. I know you have been tired, you have been making a lot of content from one place to another. Those who are doing field work when it comes to content, you are really tired by now. So I'm cooking for you. And so what you will do, you just wash for me all those and then you eat. After washing all those plates there, you come and eat food. So guys, my tomatoes are cooked. My tomatoes have been cooked. They are cooked. Can you imagine? They are cooked. So guys, in my tomatoes I'll put carrots, and then for carrots, you don't leave them to cook. Carrots cook so fast, and of course if they are not cooked well, they are so yummy. They are so sweet. They taste sweet, so just bear with me. So guys, this is it. This is it. Yeah, ish. Wow. Just see that. Look at that. So guys, there is another twist. Now it's a twist I want to do here. Instead of putting the sauce, the ginger, the pilau masala, the turmeric, I'll start by putting meat in my stew first. I'll start putting meat first. So because I did not marinate them, so marinate the meat so the spice will not hazitashika vizuri. So my sufuria here, I'll put meat. And the meat, I cut into very small pieces, so they can evenly be distributed in my my final, what I want to come up with, that is. So in all this I put it first, and then I'll now start putting the things. So I'll start by putting curry powder. Curry powder, curry powder, comment down there below. So this is curry powder. So I'll start like that. Like, you cannot put excess curry powder because it can affect the meat. It has some kaukali, some bitterness. So some chili, something. So just something like chili. So you can't put a lot. So that's my meat in aspiria. So the next thing to put, I'll put cinnamon. These things I don't measure, I just put. I measure with my eyes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, so what's in my menu is the only source of food is curry powder and ginger. So what? I'm doing something here, but let me just not say it loud. So guys, I'm putting ginger right now. This ginger. I had put ginger, but now I'm putting the ginger powder. If you have a girlfriend, she don't know how to cook, send her to my channel. If you also have a boyfriend that doesn't know how to cook, when you're tired, you just cook. You just have to cook. Just send him to my channel. Tell him I cook. I prepare the best food. I'll teach her, or him or her. So tell your best. Someone knows how to cook here to come and learn from me. Guys, just see. Look at that. Ooh, look at that, guys. So I put cinnamon, I've now put ginger, so I'll put turmeric. Turmeric gives food color, I don't know. The food becomes orange, like, that's the purpose of turmeric, but it also has some flavor, adds flavor. So you can, it's put in all soups, or sauce, or everything, or meats, spices. So guys, I'll now put the pilau masala itself. Put pilau masala. This one I put a lot. But it will not affect the taste. It will not. It will just taste yummy. Oh, look at that. Wow. I like the color already. So guys, our nini is already mixed with everything. So what I'm going to do is I'll add now my major. Check it up. It's messed. I'll now add rice. I'm cooking 2 cups of rice. 2 cups. I had already washed. I've added my rice. So start stirring until it mixes. Make sure it mixes everywhere. It's just wow. it's mixed everywhere. So guys, there we are not waiting for long. After that, after putting rice, I'm not waiting for long. Not waiting for long. So it's getting me. Nashika sufuria sahi. It's getting stuck on the menu. So I'll have to hurry up the remaining things. So guys, there we go. There we go. Potatoes. That's what we are having. So guys, this time I don't want to mess. I don't want to mess up. It's time the way I did with the ugali. So what I'll do, I had already made. So here in Kenya, for every 2 cups of rice, you put 4 cups of water. So my water is here, it's ready. I told you everything is ready. So I just put water in this to cook. Make sure nothing sticks on your sufuria or whatever you are using. So guys, let's give it time to cook. So I'll just cover it and let's give it time. So guys, your lunch is almost ready, so just stay tuned, continue watching. I'm about to serve you. Yes, I'm about to serve you. Just for a few minutes, I'm about to serve you. Just stay and enjoy. My food is so yummy, like you can even see from the looks. It's so yummy. It's just yummy, yeah? It's just yummy. Imagine I'm cooking this for you. For 1,600 plus subscribers, yeah? So guys, with the way I love you until I'm making you lunch, all of you, imagine watching and leaving without even a comment and a subscription. Okay, it will not be fair. Just subscribe, like, guys, please like so that this video may be recommended to many more people. Yeah, just for this video. When your pilau is here right now, when you cook until it's here, you can see the water is almost getting finished. So what you do, you reduce, but you reduce, because it was like this, so you reduce the fire, then you cover it, and then you put water on top. I'll tell you the purpose of that. So guys, that's how I do. I cover with this small piece of kitchen cloth. You make sure it's very clean, washed and disinfected, so it's very clean, this one. And then I cover it kawaida, and then I put that water on top. This water is just to make sure all the rice that is the top layer of the rice also dries, because hapo chini kuna moto, and then this one will make sure the water dries and the top layer of the rice cooks so well. So that is the purpose of this water. So here in Africa we do that, yeah, here in Africa we do that. So let's wait and see the final results. Guys, the wait is over. Now you can bring your plates. I serve you. That's the outcome. That's exactly what I wanted to come up with. Yeah, for you guys. Hey Janini, it's not yet dry, but it will as soon as possible so that I can serve you. I know you've been making a lot of content kula YouTube, so you are hungry. So So guys, that's what I wanted to come up with. Let's wait until the water is dry and then I'll serve you. So just unajua venye nawapenda, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share if you have a community tab or you're on your WhatsApp contact, share to everyone you like to know. Your babes that don't know how to cook, just share with them. Ama uwatume kwangu waambie, I can cook, I can teach them how to cook. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being patient. Thank you for always supporting me. Remember, I'm JessB.Africa on YouTube, JessB.Africa on Instagram, Jessica on Facebook, on TikTok, JessB.Africa. Thank you, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Bye bye. Let me serve you.